Hey guys, what's up? Magic 11 here. Today we are going to be doing Son of Will You Press the Button. Let me see, the first one is, you will live in your dream world, but it's only in your head and all the other people think that you are crazy. No thanks. I'm sure that that's what I would think. People would think I'm crazy, and I don't want people to think that I'm crazy and I'm still sick. That would just make things even more worse. You gain immortality. Ooh. You're constantly being teased by scientists to try and find out how, and they will never understand why. Oh, tested, not teased. Yes, if I gain immortality, I can kill them and never get killed. That's why I have immortal punishment. Hey, I have immortality. Oh, wait. I should have put no. Like, this is not bad. Just tell me shut up and go away. Oh. Next. Just stupid ads. Yeah, there's a limited supply of all the foods, but you're the only one who can consume them. Every drink will taste like water. I would die if that happened, so I'll throw up a bit. So, no. No way. You can have any and every magna ever made with perfect English translations. They're all lettered with Comic Sans. I have no idea what any of that stuff is, so I'm just gonna put yeah. Oh, great. So, you have the opportunity to fix all the world's problems, disease, famine, war, poverty, etc. You can never masturbate again. I'm not sure what that is. I'm pretty sure it has to do with sex. So, yeah, I'd rather end world problems with that. So, you can live inside any video game that you want for as long as you want. You can also exit the game and leave the game, but you can't go inside a different game. If you die in the video game or meet the requirements for a lose defeat, you will die in both real life and inside the game. Well, my favorite game is Pokemon, but you can't really die. Once a Pokemon comes out and shoots you. So, yes. It says I can do it. Not have to. So definitely yes. You will never die because of disease. You can still become ill. You'll have a mosquito bite on your leg for the rest of your life. Well, I'm not scared of dying from a disease. I'm scared of falling and dying. You know, you have really high under skydiving. And I did a quiz a few months ago, and it said, how did you die? And it says maybe you're scared of something because of how you died. Apparently I died because of reasons that have not been found out yet. So what I'm thinking is that something flew me up high and then dropped me and killed me. So yeah. So no, I don't want to. Stupid commercials. I love this little I enjoyed it a lot. You have super speed, but you always have to be moving. How am I supposed to sleep? I'll go crazy and die after 1 or 2 days. No. Wait, what? Tommy McPartland. You're moving all the time. A heartbeat is movement. Oh, I'm gonna like that. Oh. No? Oh, no. You can change the one thing you hate about yourself, but the thing you like most about yourself will change in the equal opposite direction. Well, I'd like to have friends. Oh, no. No. What I hate about myself is that I look ugly. I'm ugly. Very, very ugly. Okay, my two friends that I've not named, but I put that in an episode story, which is totally like doing the same thing, but I'm still not gonna get their names on YouTube. But they are way prettier than me. Both of them have kind of wavy hair, but they're both way prettier than me, and I still want to keep my friends. So, no. So let's see, you're immortal, and know the meaning of our existence, and the one true religion. But you are, and forever will be, unable to communicate these facts with anyone or anything. I already know the true religion, but I want to be immortal. But in order to do that, for my religion, I don't want to talk about it, but you have to die my religion first to become immortal, or maybe become immortal if you are being a good person. So, I'd like to press that button, but I know that I may or may not. So, the only way to really do that is not to press the button, but to be not good, and I wish to be good, so yes. So, yeah. You get all your music for free off the internet. The FBI catches you after you download a Nickelback album, and everyone knows you downloaded it. I don't care about music for free. No. Just no. We'll get it. I like it. No. If you will restart, you will be back in time to its golden age and get to decide its progress from there. But once you come to the point where you press the button, the apocalypse will come. I don't care about that. We will just figure out history eventually, but I don't want the apocalypse to come. I mean, who likes zombies chasing after them unless it's Call of Duty Warfare? Not me. So no way. Ever. $5 fall into your pocket every time you breathe out, but you have to marry Christian Stewart. Christian Stewart. I'm a girl, so let me take a look at who she is on Google. Who's Christian Stewart? Who is she? Images. Who is she? I'm just gonna have a pretend marriage with her? Like how my brother supposedly did with somebody. I've been to a lot of pretend marriages. I've seen quite a bit for my age. So I would definitely you get $1 million, but somebody you know would die. I'm gonna say definite no because I love everybody that I know, but I have barely any enemies, but a lot of friends. So the majority of that, I'd probably have a friend die, and I don't want that to happen. So no way. Okay, so you can see people's dreams and make anything that occurs within them real, including your own. This applies to nightmares also. You can see people's dreams and make anything that occurs within them real, including your own. This applies to nightmares also. I can make any of them real, which means I can make the choice. So yes. Some people aren't thinking. I'm showing you right there. Direction never existed. Hitler succeeded. No way! Hitler sucks! He tried to kill all the Jews. I mean, they're just innocent people. Even if they are Jews, even if some people hate them, I have nothing against them, even though that's not my religion. They're just innocent people. What have they done? Except maybe some of them may have killed. But other than that, what have they done? No. And One Direction isn't even that bad. Wait. A lot of people want Hitler to have succeeded, so they could have had no One Direction ever. That sucks, man. You get to travel around the world, anywhere for free, going anywhere you want, but every time you leave a country, you cannot return to that same country ever again, even if you paid. No, I'd never be able to see my family again unless they went out of the state. No, wait, out of country. No way. Ever. We'll be back, and then I'm gonna stop because I don't want to talk anymore. You get to eat cookies whenever you want. They are healthy, and there's no chocolate in them. No. Just no. No. So, I'd like to leave it there for that episode. Please. No. No. But yeah, please like and subscribe if you are new. And I will see you in the next video. Bye!